welcome to the Easy channel. Let's start. Always make a good assessment before your turn.
Holy shit.
The main reason why this accident happened was the driver who didn't respect the traffic light.
How can a first aid cabinet?
Do not cross multiple lanes at once and always look in the review mirror multiple times. The driver probably used the phone while driving.
You wanna be
Always
you wanna know
look
where
in the review
American
mirror
Heart is?
multiple
I mean,
times.
wait, is this person dating Sean McVay? That's what it sounds like to me. Yeah, just tell him the Browns is actually a very attractive job. Baker Mayfield, pretty good.
Llega un ejecutivo de Netflix a la
Always
oficina de
pay
Blockbuster
attention to
y
the
le
road
hace una
ahead
oferta
and keep the
para
distance between the
irse
cars.
para asociarse. Le dice, cómprame mi compañía en $50 millones y nos hacemos.
Always pay attention to the road ahead and keep the distance between the cars.
My knees.
Now turn left.
Can't. It's a red light. Actually,
Always pay attention to the road ahead and keep the distance between the cars.
He was so happy.